Under the afternoon sun filtering through the gaps in the garage, a red Subaru came to a silent halt. Its body was covered in thick mud, the marks of rain, dirt, and a long, hard drive. This car wasn't just damaged, it was tired, as if it had just returned from a tough road trip. A grown man stood beside it. His work jacket was soaked, his hands grimy with mud. He slowly opened the hood, as if giving the engine room to breathe again. His gaze was sharp, focused, reading every detail of the damage without a word. With a simple cloth in his hand, he began cleaning the mud-covered engine. Each stroke removed the traces of a hard journey. There was no anger, no complaint, just patience, precision, and experience. The sound of the cloth rubbing, dripping water, and soft breathing filled the silent garage. Mud clung to the wheels, to the fenders, to every corner of the car. But to this man, the mud wasn't a problem. It was simply proof that the car was still fighting. Every bolt checked, every hose checked, is a small step toward this engine's new life. A dirty engine isn't the end of the world. Beneath the rust, dust, and stains, there's still power waiting to be awakened. These dirty hands work not just to repair, but to restore confidence behind the wheel. Because fixing a car isn't just about metal and machinery. It's about perseverance. It's about patience. It's about giving a second chance. And today, in this humble workshop, a red Subaru is ready to embark on a new journey.